Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another video. And what is going on here? These are not watches. Guys, I have something really special to announce tonight. But before I do get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. I love you guys all. You are the best. Thank you guys so much for all of your interaction with my watch channel, Dave the Watchman on YouTube. Thank you so much for all the interaction, all the likes, the subscribes, all of the comments, and everything you do to help keep this channel going. And I am here to introduce that I have now started to branch off from watches into more men's fashion, and I have secured Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, and I have purchased the domain themselves.To so I can bring you guys budget-friendly shoes, sneakers, and boots for the everyman. Because why? Because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing on both of the channels, Dave the Watchman on YouTube and Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. It's going to take some time to get used to saying Dave the Shoe Man because I've been saying Dave the Watchman for so long. But anyway, Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. I have a few videos posted, and I do have more shoes on the way. I've just placed a few orders for a whole bunch of shoes to review on that channel, ranging from sneakers, budget-friendly sneakers, to budget-friendly dress shoes and budget-friendly casual shoes, as well as budget-friendly boots. I will be doing work boots, dress boots, sneakers, dress shoes, all types of shoes, and here's the kicker. I'm going to be pairing those shoes with watches so that when you do see the sneaker, you will also see a watch that is beautifully paired with the sneakers or the shoes that I do review on the channel. So, guys, like I said, I do have a couple of videos already posted. So if you do want to head on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, I will post a link to that in the description below so that you guys can actually head on over and check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. And you can subscribe there and post any comments, and if there's any sneakers you want to see or any sneakers that you want, I'm going to keep these channels integrated. So if you do find a watch on this channel and you would like to know which sneakers or which shoes might go best and pair with that watch, just let me know. Leave that in the comments section below. And likewise on the shoe videos, if you find a shoe that you like and you don't care for the watch that I've paired with it, just leave that in the comment section below and give me your thoughts as to what you think might be a better watch to pair with those sneakers or shoes. I am always looking forward to seeing your comments and replying to any comments or suggestions that you guys might have. And as far as these shoes are concerned, I have already picked out some watches for these that do pair very well. One, we have this OLEVS square chronograph sports chronograph watch to go with the Bruno Marks. We have this beautiful rose gold to go with these loafers, and for the K-Swiss, this beautiful Pagani design Daytona watch. So I believe these watches all pair very well with these shoes. And this is what you can expect on themselves.To. I will be integrating the watches that I do review on this channel with the sneakers and shoes that I do review on Dave the Shoe Man. But this is a very, very exciting time. The channel, Dave the Watchman, is doing great thanks to you guys and all of your interaction. I couldn't be happier, but I just had to get into men's fashion a little bit deeper because I got a lot of people thanking me for introducing them to these watches, because a lot of people don't realize that they can get really, really nice watches and they don't have to spend a ton of money. Well, the same is true for sneakers, shoes, boots, casual shoes, all types of men's footwear. So I am very excited to be bringing you guys, I'm very excited to have this opportunity to bring you guys more men's fashion in the way of sneakers, shoes, boots, and everything else, as well as keeping on with Dave the Watchman, budget-friendly watches for the everyman. It's budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and it's budget-friendly shoes and sneakers for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And like I said before, if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel. But don't worry, guys, I have a ton of watches on order right now, and those watches will be coming in this week, and I will be posting new watch review videos for you guys to check out. I got some really exciting stuff. Some Seiko, Pagani design, Bernie watches, all types of different brands, Citizens. I've got a bunch of watches coming in, and I'm going to be putting those reviews together for you so that you guys can check those out. And like I said, I'm not abandoning the watch channel. The watch channel is still primary, and I just want to integrate more men's fashion into this channel because I think it's really important to focus on some men's fashion, because a lot of the guys I know, and up until I got into men's fashion, I had one pair of sneakers and one pair of shoes. And guys, I'm here to tell you that that's not enough. My girlfriend loves it when I've got a really nice pair of shoes on, and women just love it when you have a nice pair of shoes, especially if you can match your stuff. Like if you can match your watches with your shoes, that's something that says a lot about who you are as a person. And it's just really exciting for me to be able to guide you guys in the right direction. And I just love the fact that you guys pay attention to all of my videos and you're really interactive with the channel, and I do appreciate the fact that you do value my content in a good way. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And I'm also Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. So go on, check out Dave the Shoe Man and become a subscriber down there. Likes, comments. Like I said, right now I only have a couple of videos, but I would definitely appreciate if you guys would head on over and check those out. They are some pretty nice shoes, and like I said, hey, check them out. Tell me what you think about them, and if there's anything else you want to see, I do have more sneakers and more shoes on the way, so there will be some more coming, and there will also be more watches on themselves.To. But this video was just to let you guys know that I have branched off into men's fashion, and I will be including shoes on my Dave the Shoe Man channel. So once again, check out both channels. If you are already a subscriber here at Dave the Watchman, thank you so much for all of your support. If you would like to become a member of Dave the Watchman, click on that join button and see which membership options we do have available for you. And if you do really like my content and you want to give me a super thanks shout out, I would definitely appreciate that very much. I will be posting links to this Pagani design Panda and also this beautiful Pagani design blue utility watch in the description below, so you guys can check out both of these watches if you're interested in these watches. If you're interested in these shoes, head on over to themselves.To, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So if you do like this concept on both of my channels, I would appreciate thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. And until the next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're on the other side, then I will see you all in the next shoe review video. Thank you all so much, and have a great week.